Morning, students. Okay, how are you in this morning? Teacher hope you are very good. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be happy always. Okay, student, now we'll continue our subject about science. So, in this lesson, we are going to talk about how are animals different from one another. Okay, student, are you ready? Teacher explain about that. Okay. How are animals different from one another? The animal you see around you are just a small number of this huge variety. Okay, animals come in different size and colors. So let's see, some animals are big. For example, the blue whale is the largest animal in the world and can grow up to 30 meters in length. Okay, let's see, for example, animal come in different size. There are some animal are big. For example, this one. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Okay. Next, look the picture. Some animal are small. Okay. For example, look at how tiny this ladybird is. Okay, this one. And some animals are colorful. Let's see, for example, this butterfly has colorful wings, and some animals are tall colored. For example, a rhinoceros has tall gray skin. Okay, for the example, some animals are small, some animals are colorful, and some animals are tall colored. Okay, this one. The second, animal live in different places. You can find animal homes everywhere. For example, some animal live on land. For example, squirrels and some birds live in trees. Bats live in caves. Okay, squirrel and some birds live in tree and bats live in caves. Okay, look at the per example. And then animal live in different place. And next picture, zebras, giraffes, and elephants live on the ground. And then moths, ants, and earthworm live underground. So let's see. And then next picture, some animals live in the sea. You can see from the picture, for example, stingrays, fish, and turtles live in the sea. Okay, for example, some animal live in the sea. You can see from the picture. Next picture, some animal live in wet and cold place. Let's see, for example, polar bear live in place with snow and ice. And some animal live in dry and hot place. For example, camel live in hot desert. Okay, for example, this one, animal live in wet, cool place and hot place. For example, some animal live in place that are hot and cold at different time of the year. Okay, for example, a squirrel eats and collects nuts in summer with when it is hot, and then a squirrel sleeps more and eats less in winter when it is cool. So let is from some animal life in place that are hot and cool different time of the year. For example, squirrel eat and collect nut and squirrel sleep more. Okay, next. Third, animal live in different place. Some animal move with their leg. Okay, let's see, for example, a kangaroo can use its hind legs to jump very high, and then a cheetah can run very fast, and a crocodile crawls on land. Okay, let's see, for example, animal live in different place. Let's see, kangaroo, cheetah, and crocodile. And then next picture, some animal move with other body part. For example, a bird flies its wings, and then a fish swims with its fins and tails. Look, for example, animal move with our body part. And then next picture, a shark swims with its flippers. For example, this one, a snake glides with its body. Okay, here for example, with flippers and body, for example, snake and turtle. Okay, and then next picture, for animal eat different food. Let's see, some animal eat only plants. Here for example, a caterpillar eating a leaf, and then a cow eating grass. Okay, this one, some animal eat only plant, caterpillar and cow. Okay, you can see next picture, some animal eat only other animals. Look, for example, a kingfisher eating a fish, and then a chameleon eating a horsefly. For example, look, this one, animal and eat only other animals. And then you can see, for example, a kingfisher and a chameleon. Okay, student, next picture, this one, some animal eat plant and other animals. Look, for example, this bird eats seed and worm. Okay, here for example, this bird eats seed and worm. Okay, let's see. And then here next picture, fifth, animal have young in different ways. Some animal lay egg. Okay, here for example, hen lay egg, and then all insects such as butterflies lay egg. This is for example, animal lay eggs, for example here. Okay, here animal have young in different ways. And then next picture, let's see, other animal give birth to their young. Okay, for example, sheep give birth to their young, and then this horse has just given birth to a baby horse. Okay, here these differences make the world an interesting place. Okay, here about other animal give birth to their young. Okay, student, this is about how are animals different from one another, so that you can more understand. Now let's see, take your book and page Science Smart Workbook 1. Okay, we will do exercise from your Science Smart Workbook 1. Take your book, student. Please open your book page on exercise Science 36. Okay, here you can tick the box on the animal that lay eggs. Okay, let's see from the picture of animal, and then you can tick in the box. Okay, student. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time. Send and take the picture, send to teacher. Okay, I think that's all. See you, thank you, and good morning. See you.